Hi everyone, welcome again to my second slide of this Canva course. So in this video now, we'll be going straight to our Canva website, and today we will be exploring our design interface. So don't let us waste much of our time. Let's go straight to our Canva and start work. So here is our Canva interface. Now, firstly, let me quickly introduce you to how to let's edit a template before we move to designing from scratch. Let's quickly edit a template. So let me come here, search for a template. Let me say Facebook post. Let me search for a Facebook post and look for a nice template to edit. So we are going to edit a template first, then after that we move to designing from scratch. Let me see. Let's look for a nice template to edit. Just let me for a random template. I don't want to edit a template that have image. Just let's click on this. Don't let us waste much of our time. So let's click on this one. So when you click on any template that you want to edit, it will surely bring you to the working interface again. And this is the template we click on to edit. Now to edit your template, you see everything you are seeing on this place. We can actually change everything. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can change anything you want on it. So let's start from the background. When you want to start from, just click on the background. So you can see we have replace, we have color, we have effect, we have filter, adjust, crop, flip, animate, transparency, we have layers, info, and more. So this is all you can do on this background now. So replace, that is if you want to change the background to something else. If you have a background you want to use, you can actually click on replace to replace the background. So here is color, where you can actually change the background color to any color of your choice. Can you see now? So the background will automatically change to whatever color you choose. So can you see? But as we are changing the color now, it will affect the design we have on the background. So can you see? It will affect the design. So then if you want to do, we have redo and undo. So here is undo and this second one is redo. So I'll just click on the undo now to take it back to the initial background we have there. Just be watching as I'm clicking on it until it's no more clickable. Then can you see now? We have the initial background now. And if you want to redo, can you see? You click on the second one. So let's undo it and take it back to the initial background. So the next thing is we can change the text on it. So the text, you can edit the text. You can change the text font to any font of your choice. You can change the font. You can change it. So can you see? You can actually change the font to anything you like. So can you see now? You can change the font. So you can change the font, then text styles, if it is heading, subheading, bodies, and all that. So this particular one is subheading. So you can change the text style as well. You can change the font size here. So here you can increase, decrease the font size here. Then you can actually come here to change the text color as well. You can change it to any color at all, any color of your choice. Then you can come here, the text format, that is, if you want to bold it, if you want to italize it, you want to underline it, and if you want to cross it, like you should have been coming across something like this, that it will be like they cancel it. So we have all the features here. So once it to start align, this is the alignment. All these features you are seeing here is what we call alignment. So how you want it, where you exactly you want it. So can you see now? If you want it like, you know, you want to number it, then we have everything here. So that is that about the text format. We have spacing. So this is letter spacing. So we have line spacing. Line spacing works when you have more than more than a single line on your text, then that is when line spacing works. Then we have after that we have effects, where you can actually give your text any effect of your choice. Can you see now all these effects? You can actually give it any effect of your choice. So can you see now? Style, then shape as well. If you want this, if you want this. So that is about shape. Then sorry, let me change the shape to the normal. Then let me go and change the style as well. Let me change the style to this particular one. So can you see? So then whenever you click on any style to change, then for you to now edit the style column, you can see these three lines at the middle. These three lines at the middle of the style you selected. So that is where you are going to click on. Then you can actually come around and change the thickness of the line here. So you can edit the effect here. Then change this color. So you can see you can change the color to any color of your choice. Any color of your choice you want. So you can actually change it from here. So that is that you can change the thickness. So can you see the thickness of the lines and all that? So same thing applies to other effects too. So that is that about the text effect. So we have animate. That is if you want to animate your text. So can you see now, like you want it to come in animation way. So when and anytime you have animate anything on your design, the design will not be image again. It will be download as MP4, which is video. So far you have animate it, so you can animate anything on your design and it will not be coming as image again. So can you see now? So this is what we call animation. So you can actually use this as well to do like just a mini presentation on social media or something. So we have tools, basic animation, we have writing, exaggerate. So it will give you all the kind of animation you want. So that is that about animation. Then we have transparency. That is you want how you want your text or anything to be transparent. So same thing applies to the image. You can use this transparency on the background as well. Then we have layers. These layers here will be showing all the design you have here. So you can rearrange everything here. So can you see? So you can rearrange everything from this layer aspect. We have position where you can take your text forward, you can take it to back, you can align it so to left, right, middle. You can see bottom, top, left, right, and all that. So that is where you can actually align your text. Then this advanced is only open for pro users, premium users. If you are using free version, you do not have access to this advanced setting. So then we have notch. This is to move around anything you are working with on Canva, for you to move it around to get a perfect size. And if you are noticing, whenever I'm moving something, there is this blue indicator that will be showing. This thing helps to make sure that your text or image or anything is placed where it's supposed to be. As in, it will give you the accurate placement you want for your design. So that is what the blue line you are seeing is used for. Then we have more. These three dots here is more. So where you can copy your text, you can paste the one you copy, you can select multiple If you select multiple, that means if you want to match, let me select multiple. If you want to match like 2 or 3 effects together, can you see? So when you select them as multiple, just come here to click on group. So they will be in the same, can you see now? So they will be in the same design. So you'll be able to move them together, do anything on them together. So just if you want to ungroup them, just click on it and click on ungroup. Then everything will be ungrouped. Everything will be ungrouped. Then we have comments. We have show timing, links, lock. That is if you want to lock down a particular text or image. If you don't want it to be moving around, then you just click on lock so that it will be moving around when you are walking beside it or anything. So we have lock position, then we have alternative text, we have delete, then we have translate text. But all these things are not that are relevant, most especially translate text. Since you are not working with a different language, you are using English. But if you want to translate your text to anything, just click on translate text. You select language you want to translate it to. But I don't know if it is also available for free user. I don't know if it is available for free user, but premium user can actually use this. So if you want to translate that particular text to Hausa, just click on Hausa and it will translate it for you. So this is what I want to translate to Hausa now. So it has been selected already. So can you just see? So let's choose another language and see. So okay, let me choose this and click on translate. So you wait for it to translate. So has it been translated? Yes, it has been translated now. So can you see? So it actually translates the text to Arabiya for me. So and if it is another language, you can just come back here, change the language and translate it again. So I'll be changing this back to English. But one thing is, I don't know if this particular aspect is available for free users. So that is why it is advisable to subscribe to CANVA, most especially if you want to be using it for business. Like if you want to be using it as a graphic designer to design for people, you surely get by your money, because their translation is not that their pro subscription is not that high. Yeah, I think it's 2,800 naira per month. And if you are using it for a business, there is no way you will not get 2,800 naira per month to subscribe, because you will surely need it. And this premium version is in fact it is very nice and interesting to use, because we get everything that will make your work easy for you. So that is that about all these features down here. Then the one we have at the top here, these two things, okay, that is about the text. Then we have design. When you click on design, you can actually choose any template here, and styles. So can you see styles here? So where we can choose color combination, font combination and all that. So that is the essence of this design. We have elements here. So this is where you can actually search for any tools you want to use on CANVA. So being logo, frame, arrow lines, flowers, anything at all. So get them from element. We have text. If you want to insert your text from scratch. We have brand. This is the one I talked about earlier, and it is for premium user. We have uploads. So this is if you want to upload from your gallery. We have draw. We have projects, where you will see the project you've worked on. So you get to know much more about this when it is time for us to design from scratch. Then the next thing what we have here, these two features we have here, it is for download. So when you click on these three dots, we have a lot of things under this place as well. Create new design, import file, resize and magic switch. Resize and magic switch is for premium user. Whenever you see this crown thing on anything, that means that particular feature is not for free user. So we have view all pages, settings. You can actually set your design here. If you want to show page thumbnail, so this is page thumbnail. That is if you are working on more than a design, so you can actually show it by setting it to show page thumbnail. Then show margins. These margins here is very useful as well when you are designing. It will help you know how to place your text and your images on it. Here is another settings we have. So after show margins, show print bleed, video playback quality, check design accessibility. So then the language. So that is that about the settings. We have save to folder, make a copy, download, share, version history. This version history is also for premium user. View all comments. That is if you invite people to come and check your design and see comments, that is when you are going to see view all comments. Find and replace text. Then insight also is for premium users. You get to know much more about them when we are into design practical. Then this second one here, you can actually download from here too, but there are some other features you can get from here, which is invite. If you want to invite people to come and look at your design so that they can comment or tell you how your design is, so you can download from here. You can share the link. So if you share this design link with anyone, if they click on the link, it will bring them to your design, so they'll be able to see the design you are working on. Then email. So we have brand template, we have Google Drive. So this Google Drive is if you want to upload this particular design direct to your Google Drive, or you want to upload it to your Facebook page, public view link. That is if you want to copy your link. Schedule, if you want to schedule where you want to use this design, so there will be a reminder for it, but it is for premium user as well. So Twitter, Slack, so Pinterest, that all these social media thing you are seeing here, that is if you want to upload this particular design to those social media, and then you can actually just click on them, then it will take you there and you upload it. So present, copy to clipboard, so we have a lot of sections here. QR code, if you want to copy the QR code, you generate a QR code for it, you copy it, then whenever they scan it, it will take them here. And this QR code works in two ways. I will explain it better when we get into design properly. So we have Instagram, save to folder, WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook story, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, Drop. So you can see we have even LinkedIn pages here, LinkedIn profile. A lot is here where you can actually take this thing to direct without downloading it to your gallery first. You just click on wherever you want to take it to, then you go there straight. So can you see? So we have a lot here, so you can go around them and explore it when you are here properly. So that is that about some other features too on Canva. So you get to know much more better about this design interface when we are into design in proper. So be expecting the next video where we will be designing from scratch, and I'll be explaining much more things for you in that video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, comment, share, click on the notification bell so whenever I drop any new videos, you get to know first. Thanks.